Bravo 07 to Watcher. CCTV is online.
Copy, visual. Radio check.
Check. 6 in position.
So, loud and clear. Affirm. Eyes on the mark. Black hoodie.
Good check. Let's go to work, Bravo.
Rog, get ready to move, Soap.
Keep a low profile. We lose her, we lose Makarov.
Solid copy.
Be advised, she looks skittish. She sees military-age males on her tail, she's gonna bolt.
Understood. Got a light?
Smoking, Johnny?
Blended in, LT.
You say so. Target's moving, Sergeants.
Stay with her, Soap. Just don't get too close.
On it.
Wait. She's tying her shoe, likely checking if she's being followed. Make yourself look busy, Johnny.
Good doggy.
Mark's moving. Keep on her.
Her phone's ringing.
Get close and listen in. Listen to our conversation. We can't miss anything, Soap.
Guaranteed it'll work. I was really hoping we could get over and see. Hey, I got the payment. I'll drop the flash drive behind the rubbish bin. Yeah, between Bistro 43 and Tea Cafe. Is this guy? Pleasure doing business.
What's the word?
She made a dead drop for a buyer. Flash drive alley between Bistro 43 and Tea Cafe.
We need eyes.
Ghost, take point on CCTVs.
Rog. Eyes on the alley exit. No sign of Coney. Must have already left.
Good. Scrub the footage for anyone leaving the alley 07. They'll likely be the buyer.
Found him.
Stay on him, Ghost. Whatever he's got, we need.
Buyer went interior. Lost visual.
Switch to a different camera.
Reacquired. I see him. Got a bus obscuring my view.
Find a new angle, then.
Eyes back on. Can't see him.
Look for another camera.
You seeing this, Laswell?
Affirm. Buyer exited Bistro 43.
There he is. Target's crossing the street.
Keep fast-forwarding Ghost. We need to keep him in our sights. He's crossing to Amesley Street. Find another angle and reacquire the target.
Regain visual. All Bravo. Target's heading into the pedestrian tunnel.
Tunnel's a dead end.
Good place for Coney to hide.
I'm Makarov.
We have Metro and SFO ready to mobilize. I say we call them in.
Copy. All stations. Gear up and prepare to breach.
Rog, 600.
Cordon off the perimeter. The rest of you, with me.
Tunnel's clear. There is a locked door leading to the old train station. At the door, prepping for breach. Breach is up. On your signal, Captain.
Ready? Let's get this done.
Breach in 3, 2, 1.
Execute. Pushing in. Sweeping left. Sweeping right. Clear.
That's where we're in.
Copy. Find that buyer and get that drive, John.
Team 1, push downstairs with us.
Copy.
Contact! Clear.
Team 2 will hold position upstairs.
Contacts in the whole play. Guys, move to flank.
Rog, moving right side.
Disable. On me, guys. Lavatory side. Clear. Moving up.
Copy that.
Pushing in right side. Watch your fire. Turret disabled.
Nice job, Captain. We're moving up.
Tony, shooters at the shops!
Got more 40 in the next room. SF4, take point.
Let's push forward, kill these fuckers and get that drive off the fire!
Throw in smoke.
RPG! RPG on the second floor, left side!
Taking right.
RPG reloading. Take it out. Another enemy car.
RPG down. Turret's pinning us, Captain.
Turret down. Focus fire on the upper floor.
Цель движется к укрытию!
Moving upstairs.
Граната, берегись!
Паша! Сколько у тебя патронов?
Все в норме! Противник!
Target dismissed. Clear. Roger. Coney Buyer is down.
Find that flash drive.
There's got to be intel on that laptop.
Flash drive acquired. Whatever was on it uploaded into the station's train network.
Trojan Horse.
Coney has control of the trains.
There's more. Face recognition found this. They boarded 10 minutes ago.
Makarov.
On a train full of civilians.
Hostages. Victims. That tunnel's 500 feet deep and 30 miles long.
There's thousands of people down there at any given time, Bravo.
He's gonna trap the trains.
And destroy the tunnel.
We have no proof of that.
Not yet.
Makarov's train just stopped at a crossover platform 20 miles in.
I'll have SFOs dispatch a second team.
We need all the help we can get.
We'll take the service tunnel. Let's move. We may already be too late.
Boys.
Captain Price, at your service.
Well, I need half of your men with my lieutenant, the rest of you on me.
Copy that.
Right, stay close. Follow my orders. Let's get on those doors, yeah? 6 to Watcher, we're on the X going for Makarov.
Solid copy. Go get him, John.
This bastard won't go down easy.
Yeah, well, neither will we, sunshine. Hey, come on.
SFO team in position.
On you, sir.
Watcher, if Makarov's controlling the trains, can we regain access?
Attempting to breach their firewall. That hacker was good.
Good at helping a mad bastard for money.
Coney spotted ahead.
They don't see us.
Let's keep it that way, yeah?
They're assembling a turret. Another train coming.
Engage, Sergeant.
Clear.
6 to Watcher. Train tunnel is clear. Advancing to crossover.
Copy. Advise using the ventilation passage to get to the crossover.
Check. Wilco.
All Bravo, this is 07. Taking effective fire. Tony has hostages.
Secure them, 7.
We're working on it, 6.
Watcher, we're seeing dead civilians.
They may be the first of many, Bravo, unless we stop Makarov.
Hostages in the next room. Watch your fire.
Roger that.
Знаю хороший способ заставить его замолчать. Плохая идея. No, no, please. I'll do anything.
Fire!
Garage clear. Securing the hostages. No casualties.
Get them to safety.
Oh, God. Oh, my God. We'll handle them. Rest take 6.
This is 7-1. We're at the crossover now, Watcher.
That's Makarov's last known position, 6. Stay sharp.
Let's ready up. Makarov may be behind these doors.
On your go, sir.
Moving.
Других отрядов. Никак нет. Враг подходит близко. Проверь патроны. Приготовиться. Понял. Будьте готовы. Они
Push forward. Fire for effect. Engaging. Crossing, watch the train.
Advancing behind you.
Патронами! Здесь порядок!
Serious fucking numbers down here. Don't let up.
Меня зацепило!
Stay off the track.
Давай зацепить врага!
Нет, мимо!
Moving close. Making progress. Go, Scaz. Troops in contact. What's your position?
Pushing up the train tunnel. Got wounded civilians.
No shortage of hostiles either.
Copy. We're moving ahead. Makarov has to be close. What's that jerk? He's heavily armored. Take him. Enemy juggernaut's down. Enemy juggernaut. Look at they are.
Как у тебя с патронами?
So let's move. We don't rest until Makarov's in the dirt.
He's not getting out alive this time, son.
Gas to 6, Cody's pressing hard. We're pinned down.
Means Makarov's still here.
Watch your backs. They've got shooters at every turn. Roger that, LT. No surrender.
Порядок.
Контакт!
Cody's got the ball. I see it. SFO, secure a perimeter.
Yes, sir.
Soap, get on that bomb. Aye.
2 minutes, sir.
All Bravo, bomb located in crossover platform. I need cover here, now.
Rog, pushing your way.
Contact.
Fucking. Get to work, Soap.
Такой в стороне!
Bomb is at 3 line, Joe. Work with it. Captain, I need you with me on the bomb, now!
Can we disarm it?
Affirm, it'll take both of us. Get a snake cam on that right side.
I'm in. Talk to me, Soap.
Bomb's dirty, Captain. C4 and radioactive powder.
Probe the tunnel and hit Europe. How do we disarm it?
I need the manufacturer logo on the large circuit board. Give me something, sir. The logo on the board.
Logo is a bear.
Copy. Bear. Cutting the wire. Got it. That bought us some time.
Price, be advised. Makarov is in the channel. He's heading your way.
Soap, you hear that?
Fuck! I'm not leaving this bomb, Captain!
Soap, here you go!
My leg go, Captain!
Bravo, we need suppressive fire here now!
We're pinned down, Cat. Cody's blocking the tunnel.
Push through him! We're clear. Police for KIA.
Need you back on that snake camp, Captain.
07 to 6, we're punching through now.
Get here. What's next, Soap?
Locate the blasting cap. Bottom left-hand corner.
Copy. Blasting cap attached to the C4.
Aye. There's a serial number on it. Give me the third number.
Third number is 9.
Copy. Good work. This bomb has 2 fuses. We need to cut both at the same time. Red wire.
Red wire. Got it. Soap!
Я попал!
Take this to hell with you, Captain. Never bury your enemies alive.
Нет, мимо!
They've gone. Bloody hell. Johnny!
Captain, the bomb! How do we stop it?
Find the red wire. Red only. Soap said we cut together on 3. Copy?
Rog, on 3.
1, 2, 3.
Disarmed. Disarmed. We're clear.
All stations, this is Bravo in the blind. Threat neutralized. Bomb is safe. 1 KIA.